Write a sequence of characters that will make an interesting sound when voice synthesized.
Zippity zoppity bloop bloop.
Make 20 more of these.
Tickle me pinkle. Fizz giggle pop. Hippity hoppity skippity skip. Pitter patter splish splash. Chicka chicka boom boom. Flip pitty flop, don't stop. Higgledy piggledy wiggledy wag. Jibber jabber blabber mouth. Mumbo jumbo jiggery pokery. Noodle doodle poodle puddle. Okie dokie artichoke. Peachy keen jelly bean. Quibble, quabble, scribble, scrabble. Razzle dazzle frazzle sizzle. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Tally ho, off we go. Upsy daisy, hopsy turvy. Vippity voppity, whoop whoop. Wibbly wobbly, timey wimey. X marks the spot, treasure found.
Do go on.
Yippee-ki-yay, cowboy way. Zigzag zim zam zoom. Bibbity bobbity boo, magic all anew. Dilly dally shilly sholy, time to rally. Eeny meeny miny mo, catch a tiger by the toe. Fiddle faddle, hocus pocus, abracadabra, presto. Gobbledygook, balderdash, malarkey, poppycock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. Icky sticky picky pickle, tricky little tickle. Jingle jangle, hear the sleigh bells tingle. Knick-knack paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Lickety-split, in a bit, gotta go, can't sit. Mishmash, hodgepodge, jumble, mumble, rumble. Nimble nimbly, quick and lively, sprightly. Boodles of doodles, scribbles and squiggles. Polly Wally doodle all the day, hooray! K Sarah, Sarah, whatever will be, will be. Rinky dinky doo, what a hullabaloo. Super duper, hooper scooper, groovy, baby. Topsy turvy, topsy topsy, topsy turvydom.
Include these in a story.
Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there was a little girl named Lucy who loved to explore the world around her. She was always looking for new adventures and interesting things to see and do. One day, as Lucy was walking through the woods, she heard a strange sound coming from behind a bush. It was a soft, zippity-zoppity bloop bloop noise that caught her attention. She cautiously approached the bush, and when she peered inside, she saw a tiny, colorful creature she had never seen before. The creature was about the size of a mouse, but it had wings like a butterfly and a long, curly tail like a monkey. It was making the zippity-zoppity bloop bloop sound with its mouth, and it seemed to be dancing to its own beat. Lucy was intrigued by the little creature and wanted to learn more about it. She tried to catch it, but the creature was too fast and flew away, leaving behind a trail of fizz-giggle-pop sounds in its wake. Determined to find the creature again, Lucy followed the sound, which led her deeper into the woods. As she walked, she heard more strange noises, like higgledy-piggledy-wiggledy-wag and jibber-jabber-blabber-mouth. She wondered what kind of creatures could be making such sounds. Suddenly, Lucy found herself in a clearing, surrounded by a group of peculiar animals. There was a kangaroo with a top hat and a monocle, a giraffe with polka dots, and a turtle with a propeller on its back. They were all making weird sounds and dancing to their own rhythms. Lucy couldn't help but join in the fun, and soon she was hopping like the kangaroo, spinning like the giraffe, and flying like the turtle. Together, they made a chorus of hippity-hoppity skip-pitty-skip and pitter-patter-splish-splash sounds, filling the air with joy and laughter. From that day on, Lucy became the official explorer of the strange and wonderful creatures in the woods, and she went on many more adventures with her new friends. Every time she heard a new zip-pitty-zoppity bloop bloop or flip-pitty-flop, don't stop sound, she knew that there was another adventure waiting for her just around the corner.